Okay, so I've been wanting to do first impression of this kayak. My first ever kayak, Pelican Sentinel, I believe, 100 Angler XP. I got it 2 weeks ago. I just haven't had the time to record. But let's start from the very front. It had bungee cord. It came with a pedal. Bungee cord in the back where you can store your crate. And one of the reasons why I love this kayak is because of the seat. As you can see, this seat looks very comfortable, and you can just slide right out. If you ever go bank camping, you can put it on the sand, on the ground, and you have yourself a seat. And it has 2 rod holders. And I am planning to replace the foot adjuster. We'll see what we can do with this, and probably have my camera installed over here. Okay, so my cat keep interrupting me, but overall I love how it looks. It's 10 foot, not too big, not too small. But yeah, I'm gonna record more video as I take these bad boys on the water in the future, and I'll keep you guys updated if I decide to do anything with this kayak.